Hello everyone, my name is Rani Sedario from grade 12 San Banson. May mga librong dumarating na parang ulan, tahimik pero nararamdaman mo ang bigat at lamig hanggang buto. And one of those book story is The Rain España by Guy Saludas. Ang The Rain España ay hindi lang basta kwento ng two college students na nagmamahalan. It's a story about two people trying to find themselves while at the same time trying not to lose each other's. Let's start with our two unforgettable characters. We have Luna Valeria, the artistic, passionate UST architecture student. Si Luna yung tipo ng babaeng mahal magmahal, all in, all heart, but at the same time, she's learning how to protect herself. Ang pinakanugustuhan ko sa kanya is her courage to rebuild herself, kahit kaano kasakit, kahit kaano kabigat. And on the other hand, we have Calix Martinez from Ateneo. Studying legal management, he's smart, calm, composed, pero complicated. Calix is the kind of character who loves with depth, pero minsan hindi niya alam paano dalhin yung bigat ng love na yun. And that's what makes him real. Hindi perfect, pero totoo. Together, their chemistry feels natural, raw, soft, and painfully beautiful. Yung tipong kahit simpleng tingin, simpleng lakad sa Espanya, or late night conversation, ramdam mo yung spark ng dalawa. But as their world gets heavier, academics, expectation, family issues, emotional wounds, napapaisip ka, is love still enough? And that's exactly what the books explore. First love, losing yourself, finding yourself again, and learning that sometimes love doesn't always arrive at the right time, but it arrives when it matters. Pero isa pang mga bagay na nagpapagana sa mga kwento ay ang presence ng kanilang mga kaibigan, the university series Barkada. Hindi lang sila background characters, they serve as emotional anchors. Their friends show us how important it is to have people who will remind you of your worth when you forget it. Call you out when you're hurting yourself, sit with you in silence when words aren't enough, and support your growth even when it means letting go of what's familiar. Sa bawat away, luha at pagdududa, their friends become the steady ground beneath Luna and Calix. They are the proof that love isn't all the thing that saves you. Sometimes it's the people who stay beside you through the mess, the chaos, and the healing. The writing of Guy Saludas is soft yet piercing. Hindi ka niya sasaktan bigla. She lets the emotion fall slowly like the rain. Una ambal lang pero maya-maya, buhos na. And before you know it, you're fully drenched in the story. Pero para sa akin, one line captures the full essence of the book. I won't say it dramatically, but truthfully, the way it feels when you read it for the first time. 10 years, still you. Almost 10 years, and we still went back to each other. Hindi lang ito line, it's a promise fulfilled. It's a love that survived distance, pain, mistake, and time. Isang palala na may mga taong kahit anong bagyo ang damaan, sila at sila pa rin ang ending ng isa't isa. This line doesn't just speak of longing, it speaks of destiny, a love that didn't just return, a love that chose to stay, a love that grew, healed, and finally found its way home. That is why The Rain España stands out. It's not perfect just like Luna and Calix, but it's real. It reminds us that love isn't just about killing, it's about choosing each other even after all the storms, even after all the years, even after all the pain. At the end of the day, this book teaches us that some people enters our lives as lessons, but there are rare ones, very rare ones who may come back as a home you're finally ready for. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy my book review of The Rain España. Bye-bye!